So what we need to understand here, how we can make record as an array object always. Always it should be an array object. How? So go to your JSON to XML converter, XML to JSON converter. Here, see, processing. So suppress root element. Okay, if you do this, only simple, these orders will not appear here. That's it. Okay, root node will be suppressed, guys. Okay, so it depends. If receiver wants, I don't want the root node, you select the suppress element, otherwise you keep it. Okay, so that is it. So now our this one is on how we can make certain field or certain node of incoming XML as array object while converting into JSON. Okay, how do we make it? So for that you need to enable streaming. Unless you enable streaming, it will not visible. See now, convert XML elements to JSON array, right? So here specified ones means whichever I specify. So where do you specify here? See now XML element. Now which XML element you want to make it as array object? You give it here. Which one we want to convert, guys? Which one we want to convert as array object? Which one? The record, right? Correct or not? We want record to be always array object. So now
Yes.
you just need to give the path. You just need to give the XPath for record. It's nothing but orders/record. Similarly, you want any number of XML fields which you wanted to represent as an array object, you can define it here. So once you define it here, so in the input, if it is one occurrence or multiple occurrence, always the output contains the array object, means the square bracket. Okay, let's see now. Let's see now. And also I am doing suppress root element. Okay, suppress root element. Okay, so now if you notice the input see orders. So how many are there? See, 2 records are there, guys. Okay, 2 records are there. So for now I am keeping only 1 record. Okay, see, only 1 record. So expectation is in the output we should have that square bracket, which is our representation of JSON array object, right? See here, there is a square bracket generated. Do you notice? So this is the output earlier. See, there is no square bracket here. So now I put see square bracket came. The square bracket represents the record is array object. So there is no orders also. See here, orders is not there because we suppressed the root element. Got it? So this is how it is. So earlier I also got confused because so this option, whatever the option we talked about till now, right? This will only be visible once you select the streaming option. If you do not select the streaming, you don't get this. So once I was working, I thought there should be an option here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I forgot completely that I need to check this. If I check this, then only you get that option to convert into JSON array. Okay. So clear? This is very important thing, guys. This is very important, very much. So many cases we face this issue that if you do not select this one, now what happens? We have seen, right? In based on the input XML, sometimes it will generate array object, sometimes it will not generate array object. Okay, on receiver side, incompatibility happens, and some will goes through, some will fail. So that's why you need to how to generate an element always array object is through this option. Is it clear or any doubt still? Is it clear?
Clear, Praveen. Clear.
Clear, Praveen.
Clear, Praveen.
Okay, right. So now we go other way around. JSON to XML. So converter JSON to XML. Any small doubt, anyone, please ask. Okay, any small doubt, anything you have, any doubt, you can ask. So now JSON to XML. So what should be the input for JSON to XML?
JSON file.
It should be JSON, right? So now see here. Again, use namespace mapping. We'll discuss later. Again, see same prefix operator. Fine. See, in XML to JSON, we have option suppress root element. Here, other way around, you want to add root element. Same thing we have seen XML CSV also. Right? Remove header line,
Yes.
add header line. Right?
Mm.
Exclude header line, include header line. Here also, suppress root element in XML to JSON, add root element in JSON to XML. So we have suppressed earlier, so I am adding here orders. That's it. Nothing will be there in JSON to XML. So let's see here now. Let's run the simulation. Okay. So first of all, what is the input to JSON to XML here? Let's see. See, this is the input, right? It contains the record. There is no root node, orders. You see here, orders is not there, only record. Under record, we have fields, order ID, customer ID, all these are fields, right? Now, if you see the output, it will have orders added. See, orders added, root node orders, see. Right? This is because we have added the root node, add root element, right? So this is XML to JSON and JSON to XML converters. So JSON to XML is very simple. Okay. Any doubts? Clear, right?
No, Praveen.
Yeah. So now we go to transformation. There we will discuss one more important thing, filter. There is a concept filter. Okay. So remove simulation, you click this. Okay, there is filter. So click on add filter. So why do we use filter, anyone? What is the purpose of filter, anyone? Yeah, why do we use filter, guys?
To get the data which is only required.
Yes. General thing is filter we use to extract whatever we need, right? Filter is we want something. You need to suppress all others. Water filter also, water purifier, water filter. Okay. It removes all excessive dirt. It outputs only pure water, right? So here also same thing. We can get only whatever we want. So let's see here. Go to processing. So it has only XPath expression. So where you apply XPath, guys, on which format you apply XPath? On which data format you apply XPath? On which data format? Which file? On which file? You can say on which file you apply XPath expressions. Where do you apply XPath?
XML file.
XML, right? Can you
Yes.
apply XPath on CSV?
No.
No. So XPath expression is only for XML files,
Yes.
right? So indirectly what it says, guys, indirectly what it says, filter, the input of filter must be,
XML.
yeah, the input of filter must be an XML. Input of filter must be an XML. See now, when something like this happens, now you can just click on here. There will be integration flow, entire integration flow properties will open. In that there will be problems. See here, you see what is the error, what it says, XPath is not defined. Okay, so you define even warning also, you can say, you can show here, you can see there warning also under problem section. Okay, so see processing. Okay, right, now what we do, so let us take an XML. See, I'm just I just created one XML. Okay, there is an orders XML which contains two nodes. One is record node, another is detail node. One is record, one is detail. Okay, so now from this XML, I want only records data. I want only records data. Then you can use filter to filter only record. Okay, I want only details. You can use filter to fetch only detail. Okay, so in XML you want only ship name, what is there here, you can only get that. Okay, let's see how it is. First of all, I want only record data. So what is the XPath for record, guys?
Order/records.
What is the XPath for details?
Order/details.
Right, so if I want only record, orders slash record. Okay, so here I put the start, end. Okay, so here I give input, right? So now run simulation, what happens? So you received the output. What is there here? Starting from record, ending till record. See? Got it? Only you received the record. Am I right?
Yes.
So let me take one more kind of XML. Okay, you see here, this is one more XML. You see here, there is a suppliers root node, right? Suppliers. Am I correct? Under suppliers, there are multiple suppliers with ID. One supplier 4, one supplier 5 something, one supplier 5. Each supplier, they will have their own products. This supplier has these products, 3 products, right? This supplier has, there is no product for this supplier. This supplier has 2 products. Okay. So this is the XML. So I want only the products. I don't want any other information. So what is the XPath I should give in the filter? I want only products. What is the XPath? I want only this product details, all products details. What is the XPath? What is the XPath for products?
Supplier slash product.
What? What is the XPath of
Supplier
product?
supplier slash ID number 4 slash product.
Suppliers slash supplier slash.
Supplier.
After that,
ID.
ID.
Yeah.
Why ID is coming?
Multiple products also there, no? With the ID
No.
product number.
No. All products. This
In
is the
ID
supplier
number
ID.
5 also. Okay. Supplier ID. Here also supplier ID 5 is also there, no?
No, I am saying I am not interested in whether this product is for supplier ID 4 or supplier 5 or no. I want all
Okay.
products. That's it.
Supplier slash product.
Supplier slash product.
Product, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So here I'll give suppliers, right? Slash supplier
Supplier slash product.
slash product. Okay. Right. So I'll give the input as this one. So now run the simulation. So I received the product. See how many products we received. Let's check. What happened here? Oh, this is not JSON, no? What happened? Okay. See, I got product number 1 product, 2 product, 3, 4, and 5. How many products are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct?
Yes.
But tell me, is it a valid XML? Is it a valid XML? Tell me, is it a valid XML or not? So in the initial classes, I told every XML must contain one root node. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have one root node here?
No. There is no root node.
There is no root node, right?
Yes.
So that means you need to remember the output of filter. The output of filter is not a valid XML always. Clear?
Okay.
Output of filter is not a valid XML always. Okay. So
Okay.
now to make this particular thing to a valid XML, what should I do? This one, if I want to make a valid XML, what should I do? What is missing here?
Root node.
Root node. So if I add root node, it will become valid XML,
Yes.
Yes.
right? So simply
Yes.
see what will I do? Here I put a content modifier. Okay. I'll go to the message body. I'll add something like this. Okay. What did I do?
Okay. There is a root node in between
What is
invalid
the
XML.
no? What is that in dot body means? See, whenever I put in dot body, this is a camel expression. Okay. This represents what this represent is wherever you give this expression. Wherever you give this expression. Suppose I have given in this block, right? Okay. So what this
Okay.
represent is the input of this block, the input body, okay, input message body of this block. So for this, the input body is nothing but the output of filter, right? Input to content modifier
Yes.
is nothing but output of filter. So this
Yes.
index body tells the output of filter, which is nothing but the products, right? Which does not have root node. So that will come here, and I am putting root here, right? So now run the simulation. So now see the output. See, there is a root. Is it a valid XML now?
Yes.
So that is why you need to remember this pattern. Okay. Whenever we use filter, most of the cases we use content modifier next to the filter just to add the root node. Okay, it is, I am not saying always you use. Okay, so most of the cases the output of filter is not a valid XML. So to make it a valid XML, you add the root node using this particular format. Got it? Got it, guys? Right now. Now here, so we have discussed till now the node list. Have discussed till now the node list. So if I select node, what happens? If I select node, node means it can only store one entry, guys. Node means it can only store one entry. So this XPath expression results multiple products, right? But it can hold only one node. That's why if you run simulation now, including keeping node, you get only one product in the output. Okay, node list is capable of storing more than one node. Okay, node is storing only single occurrence. Okay, so it based on your requirement, you need to select. So see here, the body, you can see only one product. See, because the capacity of node is 1. Okay, so if you know that the filter results more than one occurrence, so you should always go for node list. If it is always single, then you select node, no problem. Now what is this integer, boolean, string and all? These are used to filter the data field level. Okay, suppose if I put integer and product slash, so what details we have in the product? Category ID, suppose. So now you see what will happen. See what it is? 6. Category ID is 6. Okay. Any doubt here? Similarly, integer, and then what option we have? String, boolean. Boolean means, boolean is simple, guys. String means again same value you will get. Boolean means if there is a category ID field under product, it will result true. If there is no category ID under product, it will result false. Okay. So this is some operations we can do through filter. We discuss few more in the next class. Okay, please practice till this one. So we continue in the next class. Any doubts, anyone here?
Praveen, I want only ID number 4 products only. So what is the path for XPath expression?
Yeah, sorry, what?
Only category ID number 4 is there, no, in XML. Only in that list only products will be there. Products ఒకటి కావాలి నాకు. ID
So
number 4.
only these 3 products.
Yes. So what is the XPath expression for that?
That you cannot do. That is not possible.
That is not possible. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, alone filter will not be able to achieve this. Whatever you are saying. Suppose assume if that ID was there inside the product, then you can do. Suppose here inside the product there will be a supplier ID. See here.
Yes.
In every product there will be a supplier ID. This is also the same. Okay. Suppose you want only products which has supplier ID 4. That you
Okay.
can achieve.
Okay.
How?
What is the XPath for?
Yeah. See now. So you want supplier ID. ID 4, right? You
Yes.
want the products. Okay. You want the products with supplier ID 4. In that case, you need to do like this. Supplier ID equal to 4. So this means you are simply doing here. I don't wanted to cover this one today because it will overflow. Okay. So if you do here, you are selecting a product. The condition is supplier ID must be 4. Okay. Let's
Yes.
run this. So it has it, right? Okay. So there are different ways of XPaths. Okay. So how do we do? I will share few blocks for you to practice. See now here.
Okay.
See here, we got supplier ID 4. This is the first product. This is the second product, supplier ID 4. This is the third product, supplier ID 4. After that, nothing. See, only 3 products you received, which has supplier ID 4. So this below, again, we have a product, which is supplier ID 5. It is not received. See, got it? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, you understood, right?
Yes. Clear. Is there any format to convert invalid XML to valid XML only for content modifier, or are there any formats will be there?
No. Invalid XML means here only invalid we
use
are saying
filters.
because it does not have a root node. Okay.
Yeah.
So adding root node is only possible through content modifier. That is the simplest way. I mean, you can achieve it. You can achieve it, right? So you may have all different ways. Okay. But what is the shortest or easiest thing? Is content modifier.
Content modifier. From JSON to XML also we need to add root node, right?
JSON to XML. Yeah, right. JSON to XML, we need to add root node. Yeah, correct. Sorry?
Instead of content modifier, can we use JSON to XML converter?
Okay. So your doubt, let me tell you. So you are saying you use here JSON to XML instead of content modifier?
Yeah.
So for JSON to XML converter, what must be the input?
JSON.
What is the output here?
XML.
So it is incompatible, right?
Yes.
Got it? You are getting the flavor of CPI, how the things are going to work.
Yes.
So what is the input format we are giving? What is the output format? For each block, there will be some restrictions. So when I discuss some requirement, right, then you will understand. As of now, I am discussing individual blocks. Okay. Few individual blocks I will discuss, and using those individual blocks, we do an end-to-end integration. Okay, then you understand, you get better understanding then. So to do end-to-end thing, you need to know individual things, right? So I'm explaining that. Okay. So we have covered now the converters and content modifier and a filter. Few things we covered. So we need to do few more things, then we can do one scenario, right?
Okay.
Any doubts, anyone?
No, Praveen.
Could you please send me the XML format, different XML formats and JSON formats? Those are not available for us.
Yeah. I will put it in the folder itself. I don't know if you have observed or not. Earlier I shared XSD file also.
XSD files, CSV files you shared, but
Yeah.
XML files and
Yeah, this XML file I will share 2-3 types today. for you
Okay.
to practice. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
So please practice all different cases, guys. Not only whatever I have covered in the video. No. Okay. You try to get different format, do differently. Okay. See whether output is coming or not. Okay. Like that. Don't just follow my video. This is for you to give some introduction, or it is a foundation. Using that foundation, you have to use that foundation to do different things. Okay. So different format, if you put different format, what is the output? If you put other format, what is the output? So likewise, do research here and there, whatever. Okay. If you get any error, try to put it in group, or you try to search your own on Google. This kind of error is coming. What is the resolution? You try to read something. Okay. So this is what we have to do as a developer. Okay. So we get some error, how to resolve that error? What is that error? What does it say? Okay, we need to reach out to our colleagues, friends, or we use Google. Okay. So likewise, thank you all. Happy learning.
Thank you.
We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, Praveen.